Hi, you watched very good morning, and I hope you watched day one, two videos, and I hope you solved the worksheets. I hope you are enjoying logics and tricks of methods of Vedic maths. So I would like to go you today's. I give you two sessions. Day two, day two, the first session. Okay, day two first session is yeah, so I'm going to explain about base method multiplication with 100 and with 1000 with 1 lakh. Okay, with 1 lakh. So to understand the base method you need to know about complements rule, all from 9 last from 10 rule. But when to use, how to use, I'm going to show you in the today's session. So basically, what is base method? Okay, what is base method? What is base method? See, what is base? First of all, base nothing but the number ending with 0 is called a base. The number ending with 0 is called base. Let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, so on, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, all are base numbers only. But okay, all are base numbers only, but um, all are not same, but all are similar. Okay, all are not same, but all are similar. And how it is similar, and what is the differences between the methods, and everything I'm going to show you in this video. And in the base method, for every base number, we have three cases. This is the case one below the base method, nothing but below the base number. The base number here is 100. Okay, let's start with the 100. Okay, below the base method. If you understand this one, if you understand above the base method, you'll understand the differences. Three methods will be there. One is below the base, one is above the base. Third method is one number is above the base, one number is below the base. Case 3, I cannot explain in this workshop. The reason is in the case 3, you need to know that some other different concepts also. For that reason, I cannot explain the base method, the case 3 in this workshop. Okay, in this workshop. So let's go for a case 1 below the base method. See, somebody asking you 96 multiply with 94. Okay, 95 multiply with 93. Okay, 93. Or else if they ask you 97 multiply with 95. See how much time we can take to solve this one. How much time we can take to solve this one. See, this method is already we used before, but using the base method, we will simplify much more easier. Okay, how to solve it? See, look at here now. Look at here now. In base method, there is a one rule you remember. One rule you remember. This is right hand side. This is left hand side. Okay, this is right hand side. This is left hand side. Okay, so right hand side, the answers can be also write on the two parts: left hand side part and right hand side part. Left hand side part, right hand side part. Okay, this is a procedure I'm explaining. Once you understand the procedure, you can solve everything. So right hand side is the difference between base and the given number. 96 and 100. 100 minus 6 is, so 100 minus 4 is 96. Okay, 100 minus 4 is 96. 100 minus 6 is 94. Got it? 100 minus 4 is 96. 100 minus 6 is 94. So simple. Step 1. Step 1. 4 into 6. 4 into 6 to 4. Getting? So step 1, 4 into 6, 2, 4. Step 2, 96 minus 6, 94 minus 4. 94 minus 4, 96 minus 6. The answer is going to be 90. Understood? Understood? Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, so 96 minus 6 is 90 and 94 minus 4 is 90. Similarly, the difference between 100 and a base number, 100 minus 5 is 95, 100 minus 7, 93. See, right hand side and left hand side. Right hand side, step 1, multiply the right hand side part. 5 7s are 35. Step 2, cross simplification. 95 minus 7, 93 minus 5, 88 is the answer. Am I right? 88 plus 5, yeah, 93. 88 is the answer. Very simple. Only one step answer. See, there is a rule. One more rule, remember. You will understood when you are doing it with the base 1000 and base 1 lakh. Okay. Right hand side part should be 2-digit number. Right hand side part should be 2-digit number. Simple. See, don't worry about it. I'll explain around 10 to 12 examples on the below base method, and the above base method maybe more than 8 to 9 examples. By listening these 20 minutes of concept, you'll get to know the concept clearly. Don't worry for the first 2 problems. Even if you don't understand, don't worry about it. 100 minus 3, 97. 100 minus 5 is 95. 3 5s are 15. 97 minus 5 is 92. That's it. Okay, right hand side and left hand side. See, if you understand the concept, you can able to solve the problem in 2 to 5 seconds, not more than 5 seconds. So let's say, let's go for a similar example for practice, for understanding. Okay, for understanding, 93 multiply with 91, 94 multiply with 89. Okay, 96 multiply with 88 or 87. Okay, 87. See, look at here now. Simple. Look at here now. Case 1. What is the difference between number and base? Minus 7. 100 minus 7. 100 minus 9. 100 minus 6. 100 minus 11. 100 minus 4. 100 minus 13. See, right hand side and left hand side. Very simple. 7 9s are 63. Okay. 91 minus 7 or 93 minus 9. How much? 84. That's it. Is there any calculations required? Basic subtraction and basic multiplication. 11 6 are 66. 11 6 are 66. 89 minus 6, 83. That's the answer. 4 13s are 52. 87 minus 4, 83. That's it. Only one step answer. Got it? Only one step answer. If you know that one step answer, you'll get the answer directly. If you know basic subtractions and basic, okay, basic subtraction and basic multiplication. 34 is the 52. 96 minus 13 or 87 minus 4. So whichever is the easiest number, you can take it. I hope you got the clarity now of this is below base method. Okay, below base method. Let's go for the model number 2, case 2. Okay, above the base method. Okay, above the base method. This is also very simple. Okay, above the base method. Look at here now, above the base method, and here also above the base method. See, by looking at the name itself, above the base method, the number should be more than the base number. What is the base number here? 100. Okay, what is the base number here? 100. 100 kabatti 108 multiply with 106. 104 multiply with 105. Okay, 109 multiply with 107. Okay, let's say similarly here also. Let me write the problems first, then I'll explain the problems little more faster. Okay, little more faster. So 111 108 114 multiply with 103. Okay, 115 multiply with 106. See, look at here now. Look at here now. So what is this? Above the base method, multiplication of base 100. Okay, 100 plus 8, 100 plus 6, 100 plus 4, 100 plus 5. See, observe it. This is above the base method. Difference between the base and the given number. See, it's above 108 is above the 100. It's a positive number, so it's a plus. So before is the difference between the below the base, in the below base method, difference between the base and the given number is minus, less than number. So difference is minus. So we'll write in the minus, and here we will write in the plus. The difference is a positive here, so we write positive. Difference is a less here, less than here, negative there. So we write negative. I hope you got little clarity right now. Yeah. So 100 plus 9, 100 plus 7. As I told you, the method are similar but not the same. As I told you, the method are same but not the same. So this is right hand side, this is left hand side. As it is, multiply the right hand side. Multiply the right hand side. 8 6 are 48. Here it's addition, no? We need to go for cross addition. Previous problem, cross subtraction. If you get stuck, if you don't understand, please start the video again and start watching from the starting. Don't worry, if you watch again, you'll get to know that. So cross addition. 108 plus 6, 114. 114. That's it. For 5 are 20, 109. Okay, 9 7s are 63, 116. See, no multiplications, my dear. No multiplications I'm doing it. Just simple multiplications. I wrote the answer into 109 into 107 in like this. Am I right? Like this. So just 2 to 3 seconds. Hardly 2 to 3 seconds. Now look at here now. So plus 11 plus 8. 11 8s are 88, 119. See, 114 into 3 plus 14 plus 3. So 42, 117 plus 15 plus 6. So imagination. You do not do it step by step, but imagination. Plus 15 plus 6. 15 6 are 90. 9 0. 115 plus 6. 121. 112. 1 is the answer. Imagination skills. 150 nothing but 100 plus 15. 100 plus 6. 15 6 are 90. 115 plus 6. 121 is the answer. I hope you understand. So without you are imagining the numbers here, you are writing the answer here. Got it? So this is what the method of doing base method. Okay, doing base method. So and similarly, one second. Similarly, if I go for a new method, now this is the base 100, 2 methods. Next method is I go for a base 1000. Base method multiplication 1000. See, before going to solve the 1000 multiplication, I would like to tell you one rule. What is the rule is? Okay, what is the rule is? Always, I already told you in the starting of the video. Again, I'm repeating the same thing. But if you are doing the base 10, 100, 1000, anything, whatever you do it, that's fine. Whatever you do it, that's fine. the right hand side answer should be is equals to number of zeros in the base. Okay, this is very important rule in the base method. Okay, the number of digits, the number of digits in the right hand side, the number of digits in the right hand side should be is equals to number of zeros in the base. How many zeros are here in the base 100? In the base 100, how many zeros are here? 3 zeros. So the right side answer should be 3 digits. If it is more than 3 digits, the right side answer is if more than 3 digits, you have to apply the balancing rule. Even if you less than 3 digits, you have to apply the balancing rule. Very simple. Whether it is a more than, whether it is a less than, you have to apply balancing rule. I'll show you how it works also. Let's go for below base method of base 1000. So below base method is 997 996 994 multiply with 995 996 993. This is below base method. Simple methods. Again below the base method. Okay, same below 1000. I'll take little different numbers. Okay, the little different numbers. 988. Okay, 988, 989. Okay, 989. Okay, 89, 994. Okay, 987, 9. Let's go for 87 and 993. Okay, 993, or we can go for 997 or 998. Okay, 8. We'll go for 998. Okay, see, look at here now. See, different numbers are very little difficult. No, difficult. No, it's a below 1000. 100, 1000 minus 3, 1000 minus 4, 1000 minus 6, 1000 minus 5, 1000 minus 4, 1000 minus 7. See, my dear, these are all like basic problems in the advanced course. Day 3 evening you understood about advanced course and many more details. Okay, so once you are enter into the day 3 model, you're going to get more and more in-depth subject. You can solve any problem like this only. This is a workshop. I want to give you a basic knowledge, a basic idea, giving you so clear explanation. I'm trying to give you with the small numbers. So 3 4s are 12. Same procedure. Multiply the right hand side. 3 4s are 12. Left hand side, 997 minus 4, 993. Is this right answer? Is this right answer? No. Why? As I told you, the right hand side answer should be 3 digits. There is no 3 digits, no, only 2 digits, no. So apply the rule of balancing. Balancing rule is should be 3 digits. Write down the 0. You check with the calculator. The answer is going to be 993,012. If you listen the yesterday's day one when we are doing multiplications, this is what the balancing you understood there. Understood? I hope you got. Remember in the last logic I explained. So balance the number. Balancing the number. 6 5s are 3 0. Left hand side 9 8 9. So balancing the number. Right side should be 3 digits. So 0 3 0. 4 7s are 28. 3 digits should be there. 0. 993 minus 4. 9 8 9 is the answer. No calculation required. See, if somebody asks you blindly before you understand this logic, if somebody asks you 996 into 993, will you be able to answer? Will you be able to answer? I don't think so. You can answer. Am I right? Am I right? Yeah. Thank you. I hope you are happy with the learning like this logics. Yeah. 1000 minus 12. 1000 minus 11, 1000 minus 11, 1000 minus 6, 1000 minus 13, 1000 minus 2. Simple. Look at here now. Big. This is little difference. See, 970 into 940 also will get it. But there will be little different logic. You will get confused if I explain today itself. So 11 into 12, 132. Okay. 988 minus 11 or 989 minus 12. 988 minus 11, 978, 977 is the answer. Understood? So simple. 11 6 are 66. Okay. 989 minus 6, 983. The right side answer is balancing. 0 is the answer. 12 2s are 26. And 987 minus 2, 985. So balance the answer. 0. 985, 026 is the answer. That's it. No calculations required, my dear. Understood? No calculations required here. Similarly, above the base method. Okay? Above the base method. This is also same. The base number is 1000. The base number is 1000 above the base method. Okay, yeah, above the base method. So you will have the two things. Okay, so above the base method, I hope you understand how to write the problems. So first I will write the problems, then I'll simplify the problems. Okay, first I will write the problems, then I'll simplify the problems. 1006, 1009 multiplied with 1006. Okay, 1012 multiplied with 1005 or 1006. Okay, or 1005 will write, or 4 will write. Okay, and 1014 multiplied with 1005 will write. Okay, here we'll take big numbers. 1022 multiplied with 1014. Okay, 1025 multiplied with 1015 will write. Okay, little big numbers, right? Little big numbers, right? 1023 multiplied with 1021. Okay, okay, or 17. Okay, 17 will write. So for doing this one, you need to know the multiplications well. See, look at here now. Look at here now. Simple. See, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6 plus 12 plus 4 plus 14 plus 5. Right? Right? So 9 6 are 48. Sorry, 54. Sorry, 9 6 are 54. Cross addition 1 0 1 5. Understood? 1 0 1 5 is the answer. 12 fours are 48. 12 fours are 48. 1014 plus 6, 1016. Is this right answer here? I think no. Wrong answer. We need to write 0. This is right answer. Okay. Why? Balancing rule. Here also we need to 0. Why? Balancing rule. Okay. Yeah. 14 5s are 70. So use the balancing rule. 0 7 0 1 0 1 9. That's it. I hope you understand. I hope it's clear. I'm going little faster by hoping you understood the reason. By hoping you understood the concept. Okay, this is plus 22 plus 14. See, yeah, we don't know 22 into 14 is how much. So you will learn in advanced techniques in the live classes. 22 into 14 will give you no direct answer. 248 304. Yeah, so 308. Okay, 308. How I got it, I cannot explain now because that is different concept. I'll tell you in the live classes. But for understanding the procedure, I'm explaining. Okay, 308 and cross addition 1022 plus 14 and 1036 is the answer. Please check with the calculator. See, this is plus 25 plus 15. Okay, so 25 into 15, 400, and this is 1040. That's the answer. So this is plus 23, sorry, plus 23 multiply with plus 17. 1 second. 23 into 17. So the answer is 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14 plus 3, 17, 19. Yeah. So 391. So 1023 plus 7, 1017 plus 23, 1040. That's it. That's it. That's the answer. No calculations required. Please do it step by step. Don't worry. Okay. Many people don't know how to multiply with 23 into 17. Okay. Don't worry. I'll tell you the logic to multiply this kind of numbers also in the live classes. But understand this procedure. That is what most important. Okay. That is what most important. So let's move on to the next concept of the third concept of base method 1 lakh. Here I don't go for many examples. I'll go for 6 examples and I'll wind up this session. Okay, I'll wind up this session. I hope you understand how to working out this concept clearly. I hope you are well. If you are not fine, I'll clear your doubts in the live webinar. Okay, in the live webinar. So don't worry about it. Let's go for a first method is, okay, let's go for a first method. As I told you, every base number have 3 case values, and now I'll go with case 1. Okay, I'll go with case 1 below the method, and case 2 is above the method. Okay, case 2 is above the method because you understood the concept how to do, and explaining again on the same method 6 to 10 problems, it's give you boring for you. So I'll go a little more faster on this concept. On this concept, I am going to wind up this concept in the next 5 minutes of time. So let's write the problems initially, then we'll write the answers. So above the method, above the base method, so 1 lakh, right? This is 1 lakh, right? 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh 9 multiply with 1 lakh 4. Okay, and 1 lakh 15 multiply with 1 lakh 8. Okay, 1 lakh. Okay, 3 multiply with 1 lakh 2. Okay, this is above the method, and this is below the method. Below is 99,997 multiply with 99,004. Okay, am I right? 9994 multiply with 9992. Okay, 9991 9991. So look at here now. Look at here now. Simple. Below the base method, 1 lakh minus 3, 1 lakh minus 6. Don't worry, the other numbers will also possible. This is to show you the magic of Vedic maths. I'm showing you this kind of problems. 1 lakh minus 6 minus 8. 1 lakh minus 9 minus 9. So look at the answers now. As I told you, not same but similar. So step 1, multiply 3 9 3 6 are 18. Cross addition 9 9 9 9 1. The final answer is, how many zeros are here? How many zeros are here? How many zeros in the 1 lakh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. As it is 5 zeros, the answer should be 5 digits. 0, 0018 is the answer. See, if you know the rule, you directly write it 2 to 5 seconds. Simple. 6 8s are 48. Okay. 994 minus 8. 99986. So the final answer is 00048 is the answer. See how fast we are doing it. How fast we are doing it. That's the magic. This is the magic. 9 9s are 81. Similarly, 0 0 0. 5-digit answer should be there. So the answer is going to be 99982 is the answer. See, 99,999 into 99,999, 91 in one step. In one step without doing any calculations. My dear, the point here is I explained in the introduction video. The numbers which I'm writing in the board looks like easy, but we cannot solve in one step in the traditional method. See, we learned some rule. One is balancing rule, one is the base rule, one is the base number, how to apply the base number. We are solving in one step. Everything doing in the mind. Did I write anything on the board? Did I write anything in the rough work? No, right? But still we are doing it on the board. This is what the magic. Okay, this is what the magic. So let's wind up this with concept. Okay, yeah, plus 9 plus 4 plus 15 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2. Simple. 9 4s are 36 and 1 lakh. This is above the base method. 13. 5 digits should be there. The answer should be 00036. 15 8s are 120. The answer should be 5 digits 00, and the final answer here is 1,23,000. That's it. 3 2s are 6. Okay, the left side answer is 10005. So right side answer should be 5 digits. So the answer is going to be 00006. That's it. That's it. See, 1,03,000 into 1,02,000 is like this in 2 to 5 seconds. 2 to 5 seconds, we wrote the answer. This is what the magic. This is what the magic of Vedic maths. I hope you are enjoying. I hope you are enjoying. In the next video of day 2 session number 2, you are going to get square of two number. I'll teach you two logics of square. There are 7 to 8 logics of squares. I'll teach you 2 logics from the squares and complete cube roots. Okay, complete cube roots. So I'm giving you instruction. Before you watch the video 2, you just find out the cubes between 1 to 11 cube. Write it on the paper before you start watching the video 2. Okay, video 2 of the day 2. Write down the cubes between 1 to 11. Okay, 1 to 11. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks a lot, and catch you in the second session today evening. Thank you.